Child-friendly pricing explained in under 2 minutes. Curious about Child-friendly's pricing model? Here's a quick overview. Every center begins with our complimentary light plan. There are no subscriptions or monthly fees. Once you activate payments, all our features continue to be accessible without a subscription. You simply pay a merchant fee per transaction processed, and the best part? You can pass that fee on to your families as a convenience fee automatically, giving you access to our entire software platform at zero cost. Let's consider an example. Suppose you send an invoice for $400. That's the amount you aim to receive. You have two choices. First, you cover the fee yourself. The parent pays $400, and a 1% processing fee of $4 is deducted from your payment. You receive $396. Alternatively, you can enable our automatic fee pass-through. Here, the system adds the $4 fee to the total. The parent then pays $404, ensuring you receive the full $400. It's hassle-free. Child-friendly manages everything. In cases of returned payments due to insufficient funds or incorrect details, a $40 fee applies. However, our system can also pass this fee to the parent automatically. Ready to get started? You can choose between a self-guided setup or a personalized onboarding with our team. With Child-friendly, enjoy straightforward, transparent pricing tailored to your needs. Book a demo today at childfriendlypro.com.